Hello, everybody. This is MC. I'm back, and I'm checking in with the MC Wellness and Recovery Show. You know, I speak about recovery, wellness, homelessness, being parents with kids with ADHD because I'm one, and the techniques I just recently learned work. And here we have another interviewer. Shout out your name, Buzz.
They call me Network Mike.
Network Mike is in the house, everybody. Woo woo! Network Mike. And that's what I'm doing right now, Mike. I'm networking, and people can use these videos for educational purposes. And that's what my show is basically about.
Education and inspiration.
Yeah, inspiration and entertainment. So could you give the audience a rundown of how your upbringing was? Like, do you got brothers and sisters? And
Man, I got a gang of brothers and sisters. On my mama's side, it's 4 of us. On my daddy's side, it's like 8 of us.
all right.
You know what I'm saying?
Shit! It's a 12-pack.
Man, my family's from Panama.
Panama.
Yeah.
So you bilingual?
I'm a nigga, but my family's from Panama. I grew up in LA, Exposition.
Exposition by the park?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. I was put out at 14, and I've been on the streets ever since, but not on the streets like that.
Yeah.
14, I just learned how to
drift
survive.
and stuff.
It's a survival thing.
Mm-hmm.
And at 19, I ended up going to prison for 21 years.
Did you just recently been out? Or?
Yeah, I've been out 3 years now. I'm actually not homeless, but I live in another city.
Right out here?
Yeah, I live on Lancaster.
All right.
But it's boring as hell out there. So I come down here.
All right.
And when I'm down here, I got the RVs.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? I be trying to look out for people.
Right. So it's like you staying in both locations?
Yeah. Deed in my name.
All right.
Property.
Where out there?
It's just, I was locked up for so long in the cage. I'm free.
Where they had you? At Solidary,
I've been to Pelican Bay. I've been to Corcoran. I've been to Lancaster, Centinela, Kern Valley.
Woo!
Yeah, I've been up and down the state.
All right.
Like I said, 20 years in the penitentiary, all level 4.
All right. So have you found any game for employment, or did you haven't had them?
I work for a few big organizations since I've been home. Right now, I'm employed by. They let me go from my position in the valley because I got into it with the security. Security was stealing, so I had to check the food. He was stealing from the homeless.
Oh.
So I had to check him, and he turned me in. So they told me not to show back up to that chrysalis.
I know that.
Show up to that location. They've been trying to place me in a different location. That's one of the
programs that I went through to pick up some resources.
Yeah, so they've been trying to place me, but I'm like, if it's just gonna be the same thing over and over again, then whatever.
Yep, and I was real happy when I seen my homie Spider. Mm-hmm. When I was looking, I was like, whoa.
Yeah, he was the same one working for them?
Huh?
He was working for them too?
Yeah, I was like, but to see him sober, that just like, I'm finna get
awesome.
it. Yeah, I said I'm finna get it.
Inspiration.
Now. If he's sober, I know I better be sober. So was you at the Chrysalis downtown or at another?
LA. They placed me in a couple of places. I worked at the Mayfair Hotel. Then they put me at the one in the Valley. It's called
They grew.
Airtel Plaza.
All right.
I worked there for a while. Love them people down there. It was awesome. But like I said, that caused security stealing from the homeless while they wasn't around.
So have you ever had anything like alcohol, cocaine, drug
PCP.
issues?
PCP was my thing.
PCP?
Of the past.
That
Yeah.
shit, that wet daddies.
Wet
See, you
daddy,
know
that
this guy.
water,
You know.
That opera.
Super cools and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah, that He-Man. You know what I'm saying? And little Max.
He-Man.
Yeah, He-Man.
Uh,
When you off that PCP, you feel like you can do
oh,
anything. You know? He-Man.
I think I remember now.
Yeah, you know. So,
But
yeah,
then at the end, that's the only drug I didn't need no sponsor for.
right.
Yeah.
Right.
Because
Didn't
at the
need no
end, I
sponsor,
keep crying.
Yeah.
Crying. People like, stop crying.
Yeah, like you thinking about all the things you done. I'm sorry. Mama, I'm sorry. Boy, what's wrong with you?
People, the only reason why I'm laughing because I know.
No, you know, if you ever been through it, you know.
Yeah.
It bring back them emotions, you know what I'm saying, that you ain't been able to get out. It's that truth serum.
Right.
You know, but other than that, you know, I believe that we all here for a purpose. So I'm just trying to find mine, and I believe I have. I just like to help people.
All right. Well. Hopefully we can speed up the
Yeah.
stuff that they're doing downtown. So if I happen to be like knowing like a place, or if I bring paperwork talking about these meetings that be close by, where they're speaking on the issues of homelessness, will you be willing to go?
Yeah, I'll go.
All right.
Of course.
That's what I'm talking about.
I'll go. And
All
I'll
right.
bring some people with me.
Okay.
I have a little following that they, you know, they be like, what can we do?
Okay.
So,
Right. And then I wanted to like, dang, that's what I'm talking about. What can we do? What should the city? What do you think that the city or the county could do better to improve this situation? This is one of the things I give them people if I don't run out. It's a resource pamphlet
yeah,
with phone numbers, and I'm waiting for them to make.
life links. Yeah.
Yeah, so we got resources for employment, this, that.
Right.
So
You know what? What I found with a lot of the homelessness is that some people just don't want that quote unquote lifestyle that they portray, the media portrays.
yeah,
You know what I'm saying? So they just want to do it on their own. And a lot of people can't live like this.
yep, and
If you
then
take the average person, tell them to come out here for 3 months, they be like, fuck. You know what I'm saying? Excuse
Yeah,
my
but-
language, but
but then I wonder, because when you do, people can get used to it too.
yeah,
And-
you can
and-
get used to it and be like, I like to live off the land versus paying a landlord, $2,000 a month that don't appreciate nothing, won't fix nothing.
So maybe they need to train people to come out of homeless. I don't know.
Yeah. But you know what? I say train the public of how to live off the resources, the natural resources.
What the public population of homelessness?
No, the
or
public
the general
people,
public?
The general population of
All right.
people. I call them brainwashed.
All right.
They're brainwashed. But only because TV stands for what?
Well,
Television.
television, yeah.
If you say it
Television.
slow,
Television.
television.
Uh-huh.
Each station tells their vision.
All right.
This is our vision.
Right, and
Our
yeah.
vision is living off the land. Natural resources.
Right, and wow.
You know
All
what I'm
right, I hope y'all connected with that and pass it on.
Pass it on.
So
Anytime you see me, network Mike. I like to network with people and get shit done.
Yep.
Anything.
network.
Whether you need paint or you need your lawn done, anything. Car work done, anything. We do it.
So do they come out here harassing y'all? Because I see on the news they be cleaning up certain areas and stuff like this.
They don't really harass us because we don't really do much of anything, especially around where I'm at. We just like to help people. A lot of people come over here for assistance that they can't get from the city. Trees falling and stuff like that. We'll go over there and clean that up.
Do y'all hear that? Maybe it need to be a trailer giving out work vouchers or something.
We all have skills.
Work voucher program.
Utilize us instead of
maybe a work voucher type of program or something.
Heck yeah. Use us. Use us. Use us to your advantage. Most of us choose to be out here. It's not like we have to be out here. We all got family. We all got homes. We all got places we can go.
Yeah, do you have any, like, were you ever married? Or?
Never married. You know what I'm saying? Single.
Kids?
Got a daughter.
All right.
She hates me. I love you, baby.
She probably miss you.
I see her all the time. She runs and turns the other way. Tell me to leave her alone. And I ain't never done nothing to her. It's just that I did all that time. Her whole life in prison.
Oh, well, hopefully, you know, she just
know
missing.
Who you are. I love you. Got you. Anytime you need me, I'm there.
All right, so I'm gonna wrap it up. Do you have anything else that you would like to break the audience off with? Check out my show, Wellness Recovery Show. Subscribe, everybody.
Relapse Network.
And I also speak on ADHD kids because I'm a parent with a
right.
kid,
ADHD
and I
is
found
not
a better
necessarily
handicap or anything.
Yeah, anything. Man, look, ADHD, sometimes they are... Come here. This is my little buddy. Come here, Minnie. Say hi to the camera.
Hey.
Come here. Minnie. Okay, he's shy. He's camera shy. You know what I'm saying? He camera shy.
There he
is.
Here.
Minnie.
Here,
Minnie. Here. Hey.
What's up? What's up, Minnie?
Yeah, so, yeah.
That's about it.
I appreciate you, OG.
All right, so I'm going to break you off another donation. Minute.
Say hi.
What's up, man?
What's up?
Say hi.
All right, and until next time.